SpaceX is a company that builds rockets and spacecraft. Founded by Elon Musk in 2002, SpaceX has become a leader in the new era of space exploration. Their headquarters in Hawthorne, California, is a hub of innovation where engineers and technicians work tirelessly to design, assemble, and test some of the most advanced rockets in the world. Every day, teams collaborate to solve complex problems, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in aerospace technology. The factory floor buzzes with activity as rocket parts are carefully crafted and assembled, each component playing a crucial role in the journey to space. Their goal is to make space exploration cheaper and more frequent. By rethinking how rockets are built and operated, SpaceX aims to open up the cosmos to more people and organizations than ever before. Instead of treating rockets as single-use machines, SpaceX is pioneering the concept of reusability, which dramatically reduces the cost of each mission. This vision is not just about sending astronauts to space, but also about enabling new scientific discoveries, commercial ventures, and even the dream of one day living on other planets. One of their most famous creations is the Falcon 9 rocket. This remarkable vehicle has become a symbol of SpaceX's innovation and determination. Named after the Millennium Falcon from Star Wars and its 9 powerful engines, the Falcon 9 is a workhorse for the company, launching more missions than any other rocket in their fleet. Its sleek design and advanced technology have made it a favorite among space enthusiasts and professionals alike. Falcon 9 is a reusable, 2-stage rocket designed to carry people and cargo into space. The first stage provides the initial thrust to escape Earth's gravity, then separates and returns to land safely, ready to be used again. The second stage continues the journey, delivering satellites, supplies, or even astronauts to their destinations in orbit. This reusability is a game-changer, making spaceflight more sustainable and affordable. Imagine a tall, slender tower with fire shooting out from its base. That's Falcon 9 during liftoff. The roar of the engines, the billowing clouds of smoke, and the brilliant flames create a breathtaking spectacle. Each launch is a testament to human ingenuity and the spirit of exploration. As the rocket soars into the sky, it carries with it the hopes and dreams of everyone who believes in reaching beyond our planet. This incredible machine has been used for many missions, from sending astronauts to the International Space Station to delivering vital supplies and scientific equipment. SpaceX's Crew Dragon capsule, launched atop the Falcon 9, has safely transported astronauts to and from the ISS, marking a new era of commercial spaceflight. These missions are not only historic but also pave the way for future journeys to the Moon, Mars, and beyond. Falcon 9 is also responsible for deploying satellites into orbit. These satellites provide everything from global internet coverage to weather monitoring and Earth observation. Each deployment expands our ability to connect, communicate, and learn more about our planet and the universe. And today we're going to talk about one of its most important tasks, launching the Starlink 12-10 mission. This mission is part of SpaceX's ambitious plan to create a global network of satellites bringing high-speed internet to even the most remote corners of the world. The Starlink project is changing the way we connect, making the internet accessible to millions who never had it before. So let's dive in and discover how Falcon 9 is helping humanity reach for the stars, one launch at a time. The Starlink 12-10 mission is all about launching a batch of special satellites into space. These satellites are part of SpaceX's Starlink constellation, a network of interconnected satellites that beam high-speed internet back to Earth. Imagine being able to access the internet from even the most remote corners of the world. That's the goal of Starlink. The 12-10 mission is just one of many launches that SpaceX has planned to build out this incredible constellation. With each successful launch, we get closer to a future where everyone on Earth has access to fast, reliable internet. The day of the launch is always filled with excitement and anticipation. At the launch site, engineers and technicians work tirelessly to ensure everything is ready for the Falcon 9's journey. The countdown begins, and the engines roar to life, shaking the ground beneath them. With a blinding flash and a deafening roar, Falcon 9 blasts off into the sky. The rocket climbs higher and higher, leaving a trail of fire and smoke in its wake. It's a truly awe-inspiring sight, a testament to human ingenuity and our desire to explore the unknown. As Falcon 9 ascends, it goes through several stages. The first stage, the one with the big engines, does most of the heavy lifting, carrying the rocket through the Earth's atmosphere. Once its job is done, the first stage separates from the second stage, which continues to carry the Starlink satellites further into space. This process is crucial for getting the satellites into their correct orbit. Finally, the second stage releases the Starlink satellites into their designated orbit. They fan out like a deck of cards, each one embarking on its mission to provide internet coverage to a specific area of Earth. While the second stage of the Falcon 9 rocket is busy high above the Earth, carefully deploying a new batch of Starlink satellites into their precise orbits, another incredible story is unfolding just a few hundred kilometers below. The world's attention is often fixed on the satellites themselves, but what happens to the rocket that brought them there is equally fascinating. The first stage of Falcon 9, having completed its main job of propelling the payload out of Earth's thick atmosphere, is not done yet. Unlike traditional rockets that are discarded after a single use, this booster is designed for a spectacular return journey. In a remarkable feat of modern engineering and precision, the first stage prepares for its return to Earth. This is where the magic of reusability truly begins. The booster performs a controlled flip maneuver in the vacuum of space, reorienting itself so that its engines face forward, ready to slow its descent. This flip is a critical step, allowing the rocket to retrace its path back through the atmosphere. As it plunges back toward Earth, the booster deploys its titanium grid fins. These act like giant steering paddles, guiding the rocket through the turbulent air. Simultaneously, the engines fire in carefully timed bursts, slowing the rocket and keeping it on course. The first stage navigates through the thickening atmosphere, enduring intense heat and pressure. The engines and grid fins work together, making constant adjustments to ensure a safe and accurate descent. It's a delicate dance of physics and engineering, all happening at incredible speeds. As the booster nears the surface, millions of people around the world tune in to watch the live broadcast. The tension builds as the rocket approaches its landing platform, sometimes a concrete pad on land, but often a drone ship floating in the open ocean, waiting patiently for its guest. With a final, controlled burst of its engines, the Falcon 9 first stage slows to a near standstill and gently touches down, landing upright with astonishing precision. Whether on land or at sea, this moment is a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of reusability. The first stage now stands tall and proud, having completed its journey from launch pad to space and back again. It's carefully secured and prepared for transport back to SpaceX facilities. Once back on land, teams of skilled technicians inspect the booster, assessing its condition and preparing it for refurbishment. This process allows the same rocket to be used again and again, dramatically reducing the cost of spaceflight. This remarkable reusability is what makes the Falcon 9 so special and cost-effective. By landing and reusing its first stage, SpaceX has revolutionized the economics of space travel, making it more accessible and sustainable for the future. Each gentle touchdown is not just a technical achievement, it's a step toward a new era of exploration. Each successful Starlink mission brings us closer to a world where everyone has access to the internet, no matter where they live. This has the potential to change lives in countless ways. For people in remote areas, Starlink can provide access to education, healthcare, and economic opportunities that were previously unavailable. It can bridge the digital divide and connect people like never before. Moreover, Starlink's high-speed, low-latency internet can be a game-changer for businesses, researchers, and anyone who relies on a fast and reliable connection. The Starlink 1210 mission is more than just another rocket launch. It marks a pivotal moment in the ongoing story of human progress, where technology and ambition come together to bridge the gaps that have long separated communities across the globe. As the engines ignite and the Falcon 9 roars to life, we are reminded that every launch is not just about reaching space, but about bringing the world closer together, one satellite at a time. This mission represents a significant step towards a future where high-speed internet is available to everyone, everywhere. Imagine a world where a student in a remote mountain village can access the same educational resources as someone in a bustling city, or where a doctor in a rural clinic can consult with specialists thousands of miles away in real time. Starlink's expanding constellation of satellites is making this vision a reality, breaking down barriers and opening up new possibilities for millions who have been left behind by traditional infrastructure. SpaceX's dedication to innovation and their ambitious plans for Starlink hold the promise of a more connected and equitable world. Behind every successful launch is a team of brilliant minds, engineers, scientists, and visionaries, working tirelessly to solve complex challenges. Their efforts are not just about technology, but about empowering people, fostering economic growth, and enabling communities to thrive in the digital age. As we watch Falcon 9 soar through the sky, we are witnessing the dawn of a new era in global connectivity. Each stage of the launch, from liftoff to the deployment of satellites, is a testament to human determination and the belief that no dream is too big. The sky is no longer the limit, it is the gateway to a future where everyone, regardless of where they live, can be part of the global conversation. The success of this mission paves the way for a brighter future, one where geographic location no longer limits access to information and opportunity. From isolated islands to vast deserts, Starlink's network is lighting up the world, connecting families, businesses, and entire communities. It means that innovation, education, and economic opportunity can reach even the most distant corners of our planet, transforming lives and shaping a more inclusive society. It is a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of a better tomorrow. With each mission, we are not just launching satellites, we are launching hope, progress, and the promise of a world where everyone can connect, learn, and grow. The journey has only just begun, and the possibilities are as limitless as the stars above.